Let's unbox the Clover Mini. This is the starter kit. It should contain power source. How do you open this? Oh. Ta-da. Goes. Okay. Printing paper. The iron ports. Okay. Power cable. Plug this in. Let's stick this on. It comes out like that with some plastic on it. Let's peel that off. Oh, yeah. Screwdriver. Okay. Let's plug that in somewhere. Where does this go? Let's consult the manual. Alrighty. Here's our manual. Aha. So the power goes here. And that goes underneath. And connects into there. And that's what the screwdriver's for. Now let's gently flip this over. And shows the Clover logo. Awesome. So here's the Clover Mini, and it just turned on, so let's just get started. We have Wi-Fi here, so connected to a Wi-Fi network. Let's click next. And that's going to take a while. So I just let it sit here for a while, and this is what it says. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. It's having a little bit of trouble. let's try again. And all right, now you should get an email on your merchant account. I have the email, and it has the activation code. All right, and that's gonna take another little while. Alright, so that's done, and now let's select the default plan that's already selected, and then let's see, let's leave this as default settings, and we won't be billed because we're making this video, and because we don't actually run a restaurant, but you probably will be billed. Alright, and now you can go use this as your register. This is missing the roll. Let's install that. All the instructions are right there. Stove.